Alright, so we got viruses, right? And a lot of these viruses out here, and I'm not saying any in particular, but a lot of these viruses out here, they got these proteins on their outer coat or on their surface that bind to molecules in us called glycosaminoglycans or GAGs. GAGs for short, okay, GAGs. And these GAGs are on the surface of our cells. So when the virus binds to our GAGs, it kind of like opens up a lock to get into our cells. So the virus attaches, it binds, and then it can now get into your cell. Once it gets in, then it will do what viruses do best inside your cell, wreck yourself. So what does any of that have to do with Seamoss? And yes, I am still talking about the moss, okay. Seamoss got these molecules in there that look just like our GAGs. If you want to look this up, you can look up GAG Mimetics or GAG analogs in marine algae or marine plants. GAG Mimetics. Mimetics, meaning they can mimic the function of our very own GAGs. So what you think gonna happen if you take a bunch of those Seamoss molecules and you put them around your cell? The virus is gonna bind to those molecules instead. It's gonna think it's binding to your cell, but it's not. And if it can't bind to your cell and attach to your cell, then it can't open up the lock to get into your cell. If it can't get into your cell, then, well, you good. Alright. Okay, so go on ahead now and fix up your body, you understand? Please and thanks.